Hello everybody, this is your reckless runner Matthew Magnus out here in beautiful snowy Allentown. There is a legitimate blizzard going on and we're gonna go for a run. So today's epic challenge run is the Blizzard Blitz. We are going to be doing 2 miles, 2 very tough miles in all of this snow. As you can see, it's about knee deep, but all right. Ready to get out there? Here we go. Nothing but fresh powder, friends. Okay, let's try the gate. There you go. Perfect. Alright, success. I made it out of my backyard. Now let's go run. I'm lucky enough that some people tried driving. The streets, as you can see, not plowed. But some people tried to drive, so there's at least a tire tread thing. And that's what I'm going to follow. Hopefully they drove a mile out so I can make this 2 miles pretty easy. I'm already out of breath. This is so hard to even walk, let alone run. But as you know, it's the perfect texture, so let's get this going. The good thing about this is there's at least no cars out, save for snowplows, but I don't see any, so at least I won't get hit by a car. But holy crap. This is like running in sand that is mud that's super cold. It's insane. It's so hard to run in. Even in the tire thing I'm running in, you can see the snow is like 6 inches deep. It's so hard to run in. A plowed road. You can actually see my shoes now. So the plowed road is awesome. I can actually, like move, but holy crap, I can't see. The snow goes right into your eyes. Oh, this is the best idea ever. Oh, we're getting plowed in. Hard at work clearing out our road spots. Oh, so now that I'm on a plowed road, it's so much easier. But it's cold out too. I forgot that. My face, it feels like it's like getting punched by little tiny needles when the wind blows like this. Oh, we're almost a mile out, so once we hit that, I can just turn around and walk. The wind, it makes it hard to see and breathe and do everything, really, because it makes everything hard. So we're a little over a mile and I'm dying, and I still, it seems like no matter which direction you're going, the snow is in your eyes, so it makes it tough to see. I'm basically running with my eyes closed and just hoping no one is driving, because they'll run me over, because who the hell would be looking for pedestrians in this weather? But I'm out here. So I had to get off the road. I'm only about a quarter mile to the destination, but I had to get off the road because the snowplows are coming by now more regularly, and it's actually really dangerous because they're giant. I mean, this is top speed right now, so oh my god, this wind is sucky. Oh, I hate it. Here we go, I found a tire track. I'll probably be able to follow this to the... Oh, this is the hardest 2 miles I've ever run in my life. This is so stupid. Why did I do this? This is so stupid. The wind, the wind knows we're in our final approach, so like really kicking it up for, make that very dramatic. So I appreciate that for the wind doing that. No stopping me. All right, this is it. This is the final approach. About a block away from my house. And it's tough. My face doesn't hurt anymore from the cold. It's just numb now, so that's kind of good. Holy crap. Here's my house. I'm almost home. Oh, the wind. America. Here we go. The Blizzard Blitz is almost over. And I have a great reward waiting for us at the inn, the lodge. We made it back to the lodge safe and sound. It's a beautiful day. Let's get some hot cocoa. Because you don't want to track snow inside. Woo. Hot cocoa? Oh, it's still hot. Yes. Oh, beautiful. With marshmallows, of course. So that was the Blizzard Blitz, everybody. Thank you for watching. I'm the Reckless Runner, Matthew Mackes. I love you. So good. So good when it hits your lips.